Frying at home can sometimes be a hassle, but with this Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer, that's a thing of the past. Designed for home use, this fryer promises restaurant-quality results with the convenience and safety you need in a home kitchen. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer a must-have for any home chef. The Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer features a sleek, stainless steel design that not only looks great on your countertop, but also offers durability and easy maintenance. Its sturdy construction is built to last, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious fried foods for years to come. The fryer comes with a durable lid equipped with a viewing window, allowing you to monitor the cooking process without opening the lid and losing heat. This thoughtful feature helps achieve perfectly cooked food every time. One of the standout features of the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer is its large 5.3-quart capacity. This generous size means you can cook large batches of food in one go, making it perfect for family dinners or entertaining friends. Whether you're frying up crispy chicken wings, golden French fries, or even delicate tempura, the large capacity minimizes the need for multiple batches, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The fryer's performance is equally impressive. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process, thanks to its adjustable temperature control. You can set the temperature anywhere from 265 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for precise control over your cooking conditions. This range is ideal for a variety of frying needs, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Precise temperature control is crucial for successful frying, and the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer delivers just that. The adjustable temperature dial is easy to use, allowing you to select the perfect heat setting for your food. Whether you're frying at a low temperature for delicate items or cranking up the heat for crispy fried chicken, this fryer ensures optimal results. Safety is a top priority with the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer. The fryer is designed with several safety features to give you peace of mind while cooking. The durable lid with a viewing window allows you to keep an eye on your food without opening the fryer, reducing the risk of hot oil splatters. The cool touch handles make it safe and easy to handle the fryer and its components, even when the oil is hot. Cleaning up after frying can be a daunting task, but the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer makes it simple. The fryer is made from stainless steel, which is not only durable, but also easy to clean. The removable components, including the basket and filters, can be easily taken out and washed separately. This design minimizes the time and effort required for post-cooking cleanup, allowing you to enjoy your delicious fried foods without worrying about a lengthy cleanup process. Users of the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer have consistently praised its performance and ease of use. Many have highlighted the large capacity as a major advantage, allowing them to cook enough food for their families in one go. The adjustable temperature control is another feature that users appreciate, as it provides the flexibility needed to fry a wide variety of foods. The viewing window on the lid and the cool touch handles are also frequently mentioned as valuable safety features. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek and durable stainless steel design, large 5.3-quart capacity for cooking big batches, adjustable temperature control from 265 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, durable lid with viewing window for easy monitoring, removable components for easy cleaning, cool touch handles for safe handling. Cons: the large size may be too bulky for very small kitchens. Some users may find it a bit heavy to move around. Final verdict: the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer with basket for home use is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Its large capacity, precise temperature control, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for home chefs who love fried foods. The durable stainless steel construction and easy-to-clean design add to its appeal, ensuring that you can enjoy delicious fried meals without the hassle. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance deep fryer for home use, the Tesslux Electric Deep Fryer is a fantastic option. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.